Guys, let me show you what I've done. Stick around, I'll show you my cabinetry and my countertop here at the end. Anyways, I got my floor installed. I took the last 2 days off of work, and before that it's probably a couple days, maybe 2 or 3 days of coming out for an hour or two here or there, maybe 3 hours. So I probably have a good solid 3 days into this floor. And boy, is my hand sore, my arm. I'm not used to doing that repetitive motion all day nonstop. And not to mention I'm getting older. And you get sore when you get older. Anyway, this is the completed floor. I've got just a few little spots where I have to touch up. Kind of regret this floor just a little bit. I wish I would have went with what I put in my old house. It was a better product. It was kind of a richer color, but I'm happy with this. I'm pleased with it. It is pretty neutral. Anyways, let's get onto the countertop. The star of the show. Look at this, guys. What do you think about this? This is called Dekton, and the style is called Trilium. I'm missing a frosted panel there. I had them chamfer away the corner, which I regret that too, because I thought I would need space for this to open. All I had to do is hold a board up here, and you would see it never passes that plane. Here, I had them last minute thought, move this, that's my waist. Last minute thought I had them bring this out a little farther. My biggest worry, I didn't want to have this corner in the way. It's going to be nice. It messed up my wall just a little bit right here. I'll have to touch that up. Mary sanded that down for me. This doesn't matter because this is all going to be backsplash, but this is the countertop. Check that out. Man, I'm really happy with this. This is better than granite. This is better than quartz. You could put a pot of boiling water on it if you want. That's it. And this is my backsplash choice. I'm thinking about going this guy or this guy, and it's going to be neat because I'm going to mix in about 7% of the tiles will have city names on it, you know, like Boston or Chicago or San Francisco. It's going to look great. Probably going to be a while because I need to case in that window. Anyways, what do you guys think about this? How's it look? I think it's looking good. Thanks for watching.
Ethan, what my promise?